Every single day, no matter how many times you wipe your furniture, dust always comes back. It feels endless, doesn't it? But what if I told you there's one secret ingredient that can keep your furniture dust-free for days, even weeks? Something hiding in your home right now that you've probably ignored. Today, we're uncovering it. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon. Because trust me, you'll want more hacks like this. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, The Daily Struggle. We've all been there, dusting the same table over and over, only to see it coated again within hours. It almost feels like dust multiplies the moment you clean. And honestly, it's frustrating. But here's the twist. The problem isn't just the dust itself, it's the way we clean it. The hidden mistake everyone makes. Most of us simply grab a dry cloth and swipe, but this actually pushes the dust around, leaving invisible static charges on the surface. That static acts like a magnet, pulling dust right back onto your furniture. No wonder the problem never ends. The secret ingredient revealed. Here it is. The game changer. Fabric softener. Yes, the same one you use in your laundry. When mixed with water and lightly sprayed on your cleaning cloth, it doesn't just remove dust, it neutralizes static. That means dust particles don't stick back immediately. Your furniture stays cleaner, longer. Why it works like magic. Fabric softener contains compounds that coat surfaces in a thin, invisible layer. This layer reduces static and even repels dust. Imagine wiping once and enjoying days of dust-free shine. It feels almost unreal. But it works. And the best part? It smells fresh, too. The simple method. Here's how. Take a spray bottle, mix 1 part fabric softener with 4 parts water. Lightly spray it onto a microfiber cloth, not directly on the furniture. Wipe your tables, shelves, and wooden furniture, and even baseboards. That's it. No expensive products, no endless scrubbing. Just a smart little hack with something you already own. The transformation you'll feel. Think about it. Less time dusting means more time for yourself. A home that actually stays clean gives you peace of mind. And every time you walk into a room and see spotless, shining furniture, it feels like a weight off your shoulders. It's not just about cleaning, it's about living better. So, the next time dust tries to take over your home, remember this. You don't need to fight harder, you just need to fight smarter. With one secret ingredient, fabric softener, you can keep your furniture cleaner, fresher, and dust-free like never before. If you found this hack useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's tired of dusting every single day. And let me know in the comments. Will you try this today? And do you have any tips of your own for dust-free furniture? We'd love to hear from you.